This afternoon, okay? Or this evening. No, she won't. She'll do something with you, too. How about cooking? It's not a game. It's what she does. It's a little bit nicer than I thought it would be. It was a little cooler. It might rain soon, by the way. Yeah, so we do have to get home before it rains. My phone is telling me to go pick you up at school, by the way. I can't reach it. I put it in the pannier. That's what those bags are called. I don't know why, but that's what they're called. Yeah, I don't know if it's I don't know. Well, let's see if the trail's open. Yeah. I might be. It's close. You sure? I see somebody on it. Let's go take it a little bit and see what it looks like. I don't think we can go the whole way. I'm going to turn around here. 1 second. Wait a second, Nora. I don't think so. Sure? Well, if there's cars, that means construction, right? We'll go after them. We'll go. I'll ask. Is this section supposed to be open yet? Okay. Let's turn around, babe. We saw someone coming this way. We thought it was open. Thanks. All right. No problem, thank you. Anyway, we have to go to Mom's.
You mean you'll drop me off at home?
No, it's on the way, sweetie. It's just real quick. I just have to drop the battery. It was nice to get the preview, though.
What, with the car?
No, of the trail and seeing the work that was done.